This is a demonstration on how to remove formatting on an Excel table. Now, first of all, we have to create the table, converting this data set into a table. To do that, it's fairly straightforward. You go to Insert, and then you click on Table. And then it will select the data set, and then you go ahead and say, okay, now we have actually created an Excel table. Right. So many times when you are done with this table and you wanted to go back to the original formatting, many times what we do is we know that we are able to use convert range like that, and they say yes, and then the table is actually being removed. But guess what? The formatting stays. Now, there are two ways of actually creating the formatting. One would be, for example, you come here where it says clear. So what you have to do is you have to select everything, and then you go ahead and click on clear, and then clear the formats. Right. But now, of course, when you do that, you notice that there are certain type of data that will get messed up because the formatting is completely removed. So for example, release date is now converted into a number instead of a date. So all I have to do is you select the data, and here you select that this should be a date, short date, right? And so then you're able to recover the date formatting, right? So again, so that way then you're exactly to the original format that you had earlier on. Right, so here's the alternative would be, let's go back again to the table. We create the table, right? And while you're still here, you notice that the table design is actually available right there. And so you can actually go to, before you remove the table itself, this functionality will actually disappear once you actually remove the table. So we want to take full advantage of this. So what we do here, we can look for the table styles, and we go to the very original one, the one that does not have any formatting at all. Once we've done that, then we can go ahead and convert to range. And then now you can see that it looks exactly as it was originally. Okay, so that's actually two methods that you can actually use. So you actually get to choose which one you feel like it's a better one. Do you want to do the clear format and then make sure that you recheck your data to make sure that data looks right? Or you can use the table styles function before you have actually changed or removed the table, the Excel table function. So otherwise, that's all you have to do here. Two methods. These I would consider these to be the two best methods for removing formatting on an Excel table. Right. So again, if you like this, be sure to like it, share it, and again, as usual, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.